mga best mga bag. Sige, mabutang sa nitoran. Karong adlaw, we are here at the one and only 5-star hotel.
Oops. It's a resort.
5-star resort. Diri sa Negros Oriental.
Atmosphere Resort.
Atmosphere Resort.
It is one of the best resorts in the Philippines. Not just my opinion, but everyone's.
Last month we came here, we wrote about our experience on the blog, nopostcode.com. So maybe you've seen that. If not, today we will blog it, aka vlog it. Okay, so gusto na me. So we're gonna go eat some lunch first. Then we're gonna come back and give you the full tour of the rooms because they're super sick. So, tara! Woo! Woo! Sige, so this is our first lunch back at Atmosphere. So if you guys haven't seen our website, nopostcode.com, we've already been here about a week ago.
It's like a month ago.
Yeah, it was about a month ago. But I ordered this steak sandwich.
And I ordered the same fish burger, but it is so good.
So that's what we're having again. I'll give you a little sample. Ooh. Oh yeah.
And they do an excellent fish burger and fish and chips here because it is British owned. So it's so good. I'm starving.
Alright, mukbang. Ask us some questions.
What?
Just as good as you remember.
It's not better because I'm hungrier this time.
We're right next to the beach, so I don't know if it's too loud, if you can hear us.
More onions.
Caramelized onions.
We do like that.
Usually not a fan of onions, obviously. But I do like caramel.
Caramel.
Caramel. Ayo!
Unsa man? Room tour! So, this is the living room. And more of the living room. Very big bed. But my favorite part of this room is this bathroom.
Dang, Gina.
Plantitas, it comes with your own garden. 2 showers so you don't have to share. 2 basins so you also don't have to share. A chair.
That you have to share.
That you do have to share. A toilet for you.
Sick.
Maybe I lied. That is not my favorite part. That's my second favorite part of this room.
What's your favorite?
How heavy this door is. It's outside.
Fall into it.
I'm wearing clothes. We have our own pool. Should I dive?
Yeah. Send it. Sige namin diri pool side. Sa pool side, we're gonna
The pool. Side of the pool.
mag-dip na kami. We're gonna take a dip. I don't know how you say that in Bisaya.
Ligo.
Maligo. Gani, pero dip na lang.
Dip, dip.
Sige.
If you
Pero
dip, I dip.
typhoon karon panahon karon semana. So ipalupa nato ang drone para makita ninyo ang nindot na lugar dire kay basin magulang nunya or ugma dali ta kabalo. So karon na lang ta mag-drone. Kay astig man.
We're gonna take chances.
Little dust. Oh yeah. Sige. So ligo na ta.
I did it.
Dip na, dip you dip.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club. We'll go all night. I see you in the back. The mood is right. If I just don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough.
Mayang gabi sa inyo tanan.
Mayong gabi pod.
It's our first night at Atmosphere, so we're having dinner at Breeze All Day Dining.
Hold up. Oh yeah.
That looks nice. Whoop. It's really nice. Yes.
I ordered the salmon. Very nice. She ordered the wok. She ordered the wok, aka what the heck is a wok?
Wok.
What's a wok?
It's fried. It's like fried.
Wok's
Stir
a wok?
fry. It's stir fry.
Stir fry. Is it Chinese?
Stir fry. Well,
Japanese?
A wok is the
Ah,
pan.
the pan.
It's the pan. That's
Ah.
what a wok is. So anything cooked in that is woked.
The food has arrived. This is the wok.
I'm gonna squeeze my calamansi. It'll be aesthetic.
Oh. Squeeze it.
Oh, that went in the wrong direction. Try again.
Oh, it's blurry.
Baby, I'm not playing around. I mean every little word. I can't get you out of my mind. Oh, baby, every curse got me going crazy. Can't control it. Can I see it? Oh, man. Oh. Don't fight it, baby.
What is going on? So foggy. Sige mamuntag sa literan. It is day 2 here at Atmosphere Resort, and it is officially Halloween.
Woo!
Ooh, spooky. So we have some activities planned for later, some treasure hunts and some stuff.
Yes, very exciting. This is like my
That's our agenda.
My
Read
first
it.
Halloween. We don't have costumes,
Yeah, we don't have costumes this year.
but well, I've never had costumes.
Halloween's not a thing in Australia. So before we checked into Atmosphere, I was working on my open water certification, aka scuba diving with PADI here at Atmosphere. So it took me about 2.5 days to get certified. Yesterday I finished up after we checked in. So
I didn't.
She didn't. She has asthma, but she took some videos.
I did. That's
you-
what you'll see in a minute.
So we can show you guys. It's an easy process. Like I said, 2.5, 3 days. So if you're interested in getting certified, make sure to do it through PADI, and you can come here to Atmosphere to get certified. We recommend Jayan because he's the man. He was my instructor. Great guy. But yeah, so here's my clips of getting
My clips.
her clips of me getting certified. All right, so for the next 2 days, me and my man Jayan are going to be working on my open waters course here at Atmosphere through PADI. So previously to coming to Atmosphere, I had to do online training, so it took like 2 days. So depending on how much time you have, you can do the training online or here at the resort. And then after you do your briefing and so forth, then we take our skills to the pool before we actually get into the water, into the ocean. So Jayan's gonna teach me a few things right now, so let's see how it goes.
I was out of town to find myself a way to get myself out of this world. You were not about, and I blame myself.
Disclaimer, if you guys want to go diving, make sure to shave your mustache. It's not the best thing for diving.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh! Never skip leg day either. Alright, so this is it. This is day 3 of my open waters course. We are finally going to get in the ocean and descend to 18 meters. So we have Ulrika somewhere. She's going to be joining us, bringing a GoPro, so you guys can see what's underneath the ocean. So you guys can see what's out there. So let's get wet. Woo!
The sun is out.
we're back at our private villa.
Oh, let me just step aside for
Step aside, it's my time to shine. And we have a performance for y'all.
Performance?
This is called choreographed diving. What is it?
Synchronized.
Synchronized diving. Up and down and up and down.
Coachella.
Feet kick.
I didn't do it like you.
And head.
I'm a swan.
Ew, look what you made me do.
My tag's out.
Ow, my foot. Oh! Sakit.
Hello, oi.
Alright, babe, what's going on?
We're winning. We're doing a treasure hunt for not Easter eggs, for pumpkins, but not pumpkins, rocks.
Orange rocks.
Orange rocks for Halloween. And then if we find, there's 20 hidden, and if we find 15, then we go in the draw to win a free night's accommodation here.
Let's do this.
Oh, shiz.
Bingo! This is my second one. Zoe has found one.
Whatever.
Keep it up, sweetie.
Okay.
That's what we're looking for. Ooh.
They're quite small. This is to scale. I am blind. So,
Legally blind.
legally PWD. Let's go.
Found one.
You're better than me, I know. Whatever.
Zoe, found one. Found one. Number 5. Finally.
That is.
Okay. How long did it take us to find 15?
I don't know.
Look at the first photo.
Oh wait. But we started at 2:16.
And what time is it?
2:58.
So about 45 minutes.
Yay.
45 minutes-ish. Grabe ha, oy.
What?
Woo, ka-sexy ba?
It's embarrassing.
Sige, mayong gabi. We are heading to a Halloween party right now. Most likely going to be music, so I can't vlog over there. But we can show you how the party goes. And then after that, we have a very special dinner for a very special girl.
It's me.
For her birthday dinner.
I'm the girl.
Yes. So put on that bug spray, that anti-mosquito
Moisturizer.
off spray, off lotion. Sige ta!
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your.
Alright, you guys just missed it. We just argued for about 5 minutes over
In front of the waitress.
over our orders because she said that I cannot order the same thing that she orders.
I don't like it. I just don't. It feels like it's a missed opportunity if we both get the same thing.
Why?
It's a whole menu and we get the same thing. It's just...
Comment if you believe that I should sleep outside because of this. Because I will be sleeping outside.
He'll be sleeping here on a yoga mat somewhere.
Yeah. Anyways, on that note, look at this setup. Oh! Look at this. I did this myself, guys. I'm a romantic. Nah, shout out Atmosphere. They hooked us up.
Thank you so much, Atmosphere. It's my birthday!
This is where we had massages
And yoga.
and yoga. Out there is the ocean, obviously. Alright, so we're gonna start off some dinner with some bread again. Some bread, balsamic, and of course, mixed berry smoothie featuring a bloody orange. But in America, we just call it an orange.
Because I'm Australian, I get it. You bloody wanker.
Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem.
Thank you.
Look at it. Thank you. I'm halfway to 50.
Keep going. Alright, we got a one-man band over here. Happy birthday from all of us to you. We wish it was our birthday so we could party too. Hey! Sopa? Joke. Louder!
Louder! Comment if you know where that's from. What are you asking?
How was your salmon?
It was delicious. I bet yours was good too.
Sige, niuli na kami. We're back at home and this is where we will finish the vlog because kapoy na mi. We're tired. Great food, great place. If you're locked down in Negros Oriental, definitely come check out Atmosphere. You probably already heard about it. But during this pandemic, I think there's discounts.
It's 50% off right now. And we won a dinner. We did. We didn't tell you yet. We won a dinner.
Because you did that treasure hunt?
Yeah, we won.
They did a raffle. And
we got second place. I've never won anything in my life. So we will be back here for dinner. I'm gonna watch some spooky movies because it's Halloween.
Unta, nalingaw mo. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Amping mo tanan.
Ooh.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy Halloween.
Don't forget to wish me a happy birthday.
November 3rd. Be there, be square.